Welcome home, dreamer! We are here now in Istana, Tanza, Cavite. This is a three-story house and lot. This is located at Barangay Biga, Istana, Tanza. The lot area is 50 square meter, while the floor area is 94 square meter. You can see here the living and dining area in ground floor. And this is your kitchen area. And at the back of your house, you still have a space here where you can put your laundry. This also has one toilet and shower in your ground floor. And this is the second floor. We also have your toilet and shower. And for the last floor, which is the third floor, same with first and second floor, it has a very spacious space. This is provision for 4 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms. This is 5K to reserve with 4,042 monthly, equity payable within 24 months. I hope this video helped you to decide for buying a new home.